onion, garlic, take your pick. Ladies first. Sally, which one do you choose?
That one there.
Let's see what's hiding underneath.
Well then, that one.
Let's have a look.
Oh no, I don't like to cut up onions. They make my eyes sting.
Very good. The vampires will stay away from me.
Don't worry, Sally. Come over to the sink. Turn on the cold water and put your wrists under the water. That's my secret to keep from crying when you peel onions. Run cold water over your hands before you start.
I hope it's going to work.
Bob, you're going to peel the garlic cloves. After you peel them, cut them in half lengthwise, remove the green sprout and chop them into tiny pieces.